was the scene Friday at the Davis campus of the University of California, east of San Francisco. University police ordering demonstrators to dismantle tents they had pitched in the center of the campus. After a written warning, most of the protesters decided not to budge. Police in riot gear then deployed to clear the tents. One officer used pepper spray on a group of protesters who had tried to block the police.
Shortly after taking the stage, Obama was mic-checked by Occupy Wall Street protesters criticizing the ongoing crackdown on demonstrators across the country.
December 1st, 2808.
Yeah, to the forces of darkness, I bring you the torches of our shit. Reinforced with the hardness of Wolverine's arms, with the harshness and overall sharpness. Now how far do the arms get? My nigga, from the stars to the starfish. From the baby to the bomb, it's a whole lot of light and a whole lot of arm length. My arm's long, but I'm lawless. A strong arm, I can lift up all this. You gon' have to build a bigger farm fence to keep them wolves out of Old McDonald Bond, bitch. Yeah, Team Jacob, we're long gone, put my hands on the lair. Every time I put my hands in the air, watch the throne as I dance in the chair. Throw my crown in the crowd, hope it lands on the air. But weak niggas like to pass in the fair. Spit a lot of over jams of the year. They act like they the man up in here. Don't count when your only real fan is a mirror. That's subliminal to any nigga that he feel it's too. But you don't stand a chance, player. I am there, Chi-Town, fan of the Bears. Love where they dance in the square, Yankee too, but only cause grand is in there.